To set the same daily screen time limit for the Kids app on Samsung Galaxy S24 Ultra, you have to set the screen time to same every day. To do so, open Kids app, tap more icon or three vertical dot icon at the top right, and then tap parental controls. Enter your current screen lock or use your biometric. Tap screen time. If this menu is still off, tap the gray on off switch until the switch turns blue to turn it on. And then select same every day. Now you can select the desired duration. As the example, we will set it to 30 minutes. With this setting, your kid will only be able to use Kids app for the selected duration. In this case, 30 minutes every day. However, when the limit is over, there will be a notification said that the time is up and your kid will not be able to use the phone except you increase the limit. Okay, thank you for watching. Please help to like and subscribe. Have a nice day.